In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the OneDrive storage full issue. We all know how frustrating it can be to run out of storage space when you're managing your files, photos, and important documents online. But don't worry, today we'll go through a few simple steps to help you clear up space and manage your OneDrive more effectively. First, we'll begin by examining how much space you're currently using in OneDrive. To check your storage, navigate to onedrive.live.com and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look for the three dots located at the upper right corner and click on them to access the menu. From there, select Settings and then proceed to OneDrive Settings. In this section, you'll find an option called Manage Storage. This is where you can view a detailed breakdown of your storage usage. Pay close attention to what is occupying most space and note any files or folders that you might not need anymore. Now let's move on to cleaning up space. One of the quickest ways to free up storage is by deleting unnecessary files. Start by emptying your OneDrive recycle bin, as deleted files are often still taking up space unless permanently deleted. Look for large files, especially those you haven't accessed in a while, and decide if you truly need them. If not, go ahead and say goodbye to those space hoggers to make a room for more important items. Moving on, if there are files you don't need in the cloud but still want to keep them safe, consider downloading them to your PC or external hard drive. Once downloaded, you can confidently delete them from OneDrive, effectively freeing up that storage. This approach helps in keeping your online storage lean while ensuring you have a backup of the files you care about accessing offline. If after cleaning up you still find that you need more room, it might be wise to look into upgrading your storage plan. OneDrive offers different storage tiers, and depending on your needs, you might want to consider purchasing additional storage. Alternatively, subscribing to Microsoft 365 is another efficient option, as it not only boosts your OneDrive storage capacity significantly, but also provides access to a suite of useful applications offering great value, especially if you frequently use other Microsoft services. And there you have it. Following these steps will help you take control of your OneDrive storage and keep everything organized without the stress of running out of space. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Stay tuned for more guides on making the most out of your digital tools.